Hi everybody, we're in Tunica, Mississippi, very close to Memphis, Tennessee, and we're here at the Gold Strike here. It's a very beautiful building and it really looks like gold. And you can see here, this is Gold Strike, and it's actually next to the Horseshoe over here, but we're going to check it out, so just follow us. From a distance, here's the Gold Strike. Really pretty and beautiful. Looks like they got award-winning restaurants here. They got a big screen that changes for each restaurant they have. Pretty cool. So these casinos in Tunica are actually on the water. And here at the Gold Strike, you can see some goldfish, or I guess that's goldfish. I don't know, there's a bunch of fish. Yeah, pretty cool. So all these casinos on top of the water. So it's almost like being on a boat or a ship parked at a dock, I guess. Yeah, because the Mississippi is right over there, and the state of Arkansas. All decorated for Christmas here, and it sure is beautiful. Look at that. Our music's really loud here. I'll probably have to dub some music on here. They got a screen here. Everything's happening. Looks like they got a car. Really pretty decorations. Oh, that's a Lexus, I guess. It looks really nice. Gold Strike, Memphis, Lexus. Beautiful tree. There's a hotel check-in right there. Got a Santa sleigh over here. Nice. Bunch of Christmas trees over here. Getting Alex's picture. Got a train over here. Well, this is cool. Letters for Santa. That looks nice. We got a Chicago Steakhouse here. We got a J Noodle Company here. Got Barbecue Thursdays with the buffet.